Hello and welcome to Don't Do This Guide. Does your heart leap with joy when you open your closet, or do you feel a sense of overwhelm? Today, we embark on a journey to cultivate joy, not just in our wardrobes, but also in our hearts and for our planet. The fashion industry, while exciting and innovative, often comes at a cost to our environment. But what if I told you that you could align your personal style with sustainability, creating a wardrobe that reflects your values? In this video, we'll explore the world of sustainable fashion, step by gentle step. I'll share practical tips and simple joys to help you make conscious choices that benefit both your wardrobe and the environment. Remember, even small changes can spark immense joy. If you are ready to discover the magic of a mindful wardrobe, then hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Let's begin this journey together. Sustainable fashion is about cherishing the clothes we have and making mindful choices about the new garments we bring into our lives. It's about asking ourselves, does this piece spark joy? And also, is it made with respect for our planet and its people? Imagine a world where fashion and sustainability go hand in hand, where each piece in your wardrobe tells a story of conscious choices and lasting joy. That's the vision we're striving for, and it all starts with understanding the impact of our choices. Let's delve into the heart of sustainable fashion. Before we embark on creating a sustainable wardrobe, let's take a moment to appreciate the clothes we already own. Hold each item in your hands and ask yourself, does this spark joy? If it does, keep it with a grateful heart. If not, thank the garment for its service and let it go with love. As you curate your wardrobe, consider the materials, the fit, and the versatility of each piece. Are there items you can donate or repurpose? Remember, every piece has a story, and by letting go mindfully, we create space for new joy and sustainable choices. Thrifting is an adventure, a treasure hunt for unique pieces that speak to your soul. Imagine finding a vintage scarf that whispers stories of the past, or a gently worn dress that deserves a second life in your wardrobe. Second-hand shopping isn't just about saving money, it's about giving garments a new beginning. When you choose pre-loved items, you reduce textile waste and lessen the demand for fast fashion. Embrace the joy of discovery, the thrill of finding one-of-a-kind treasures, and the satisfaction of giving garments a second chance to spark joy. Now, if you're looking to add new pieces to your wardrobe, let's explore the world of sustainable brands. Look for brands that prioritize ethical sourcing, eco-friendly materials, and fair labor practices. These brands often share their values transparently, so you can make informed choices that align with your own. Remember, every purchase is a powerful act of voting with your wallet. By supporting brands that prioritize sustainability, you become part of a movement towards a more conscious and compassionate fashion industry. In a world of fast fashion, it's easy to get caught up in the cycle of fleeting trends, but true joy comes from investing in quality pieces that stand the test of time. Imagine a wardrobe filled with timeless essentials, crafted with care and designed to last. Choose garments made from durable materials with attention to detail and timeless designs. These pieces will become cherished companions in your wardrobe, bringing you joy season after season. Just as we choose natural, wholesome ingredients for our bodies, let's choose natural, earth-friendly materials for our clothes. Look for organic cotton, linen, hemp, and tencel. These fabrics are gentle on the planet and feel wonderful against your skin. Imagine the feeling of soft, breathable fabrics that are kind to your skin and the environment. By choosing sustainable materials, you're making a conscious choice to reduce your ecological footprint and embrace a more harmonious relationship with nature. Do you have garments in your wardrobe that no longer spark joy in their current form? Let's breathe new life into them through the magic of DIY and upcycling. Transform an old t-shirt into a stylish tote bag, or turn a forgotten scarf into a colorful headband. Embrace the joy of creativity and give your pre-loved items a second chance to shine. Upcycling is not only good for the planet, but also a wonderful way to express your unique style and create something truly special. Just as we care for our cherished possessions, let's extend the lifespan of our clothes through proper care and maintenance. Wash your clothes in cold water, air dry them whenever possible, and mend any small tears or loose buttons with love. By treating our clothes with care, we show respect for the resources used to create them and reduce our environmental impact. Remember, a little TLC goes a long way in preserving the life and beauty of our garments. As the seasons change, so too can our wardrobes. Embrace the joy of a seasonal wardrobe rotation, storing away out-of-season items and welcoming back familiar favorites. This practice not only keeps your wardrobe organized, but also helps preserve the life of your clothes. Imagine the excitement of rediscovering beloved pieces each season, like welcoming old friends back into your life. A seasonal wardrobe rotation brings a sense of freshness and intentionality to your style, allowing you to appreciate each garment fully. Have you ever considered the transformative power of a capsule wardrobe? Imagine, if you will, a curated collection of essential pieces that can be mixed and matched effortlessly, creating a multitude of stylish outfits. A capsule wardrobe simplifies your life, reduces decision fatigue, and allows you to focus on quality over quantity. Choose versatile pieces in neutral colors that can be dressed up or down, and accessorized to create a variety of looks. For special occasions or when you're craving something new, consider the joy of renting or borrowing clothes. Renting allows you to experiment with different styles without committing to owning them, while borrowing from friends or family fosters a sense of community and shared resources. Imagine the freedom of having access to a wider range of styles without cluttering your wardrobe or contributing to textile waste. Renting and borrowing are wonderful ways to reduce your environmental impact while still enjoying the fun and excitement of fashion. Every purchase is an opportunity to make a difference. Before you buy a new garment, pause and ask yourself, do I truly need this? Consider the item's lifespan, its versatility, and its impact on the environment. By becoming conscious consumers, we shift the fashion industry towards sustainability, one mindful choice at a time. Remember, every purchase has a ripple effect, and our choices have the power to create positive change. Knowledge is empowering. The more we learn about sustainable fashion, the more equipped we are to make informed choices. Explore online resources, follow ethical fashion bloggers, and engage in conversations about sustainability. Share your journey with others, inspire your friends and family to make conscious choices, and let's create a collective movement towards a more sustainable and joyful fashion industry. Together, we can make a difference. As we reach the end of our journey together, I hope you feel inspired to embrace the joy of sustainable fashion. Remember, even small steps can make a big difference. By choosing pre-loved items, supporting ethical brands, and caring for your clothes with love, you're creating a wardrobe that reflects your values and reduces your environmental impact. A sustainable wardrobe is not only good for the planet, but also for your wallet and your personal style. By investing in quality pieces that spark joy, you'll create a wardrobe that you love and feel good about wearing. Thank you for joining me on this journey towards a more mindful and joyful approach to fashion. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content, and share it with your friends and family to spread the joy of sustainable fashion. Let's create a more beautiful and sustainable world together.